The Pictometry IPA tool provides the ability to view oblique aerial imagery in the target area. This is a website that is provided by Eagle View Technologies and is not maintained by Gaston County. The tool can be opened using the Pictometry icon on the upper right toolbar. Pop-ups must be enabled for this widget to operate correctly. The tool opens a new window and loads the most recent oblique aerial imagery for the target area. Pictometry allows the view to be rotated. This can be achieved by using the controls located in the upper left portion of the window. You may select from different photo dates, turn layers on or off, identify, and print.